everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all well. So this is another car I'm not going to get a chance to finish, so I'm going to show it on the channel before it goes. Put it up for sale, it's already sold. My phone went absolutely crazy because obviously quite a rare car now, and to get one in this condition is pretty hard. Sold for £2,000, which is not a bad price for something like this because they're making sort of 6,000 to 8,000 when they're built, so someone got a bargain, and that's another one of my cars moved on. So I just thought I'd do a short video to let you see it, as I won't be coming to the channel with this one and doing the build. Would have been a really nice one. I was going to do it sort of pure black, chrome wheels, stuff like that, but there we go, can't do them all. As I've said in previous videos, I've got sort of 25 cars to move on because I've lost half my storage, so that's what I'll be doing, and this is one of them. It would have been nice to put a pure black leather in here and keep everything black to go with the theme, the tinted windows all nice and lowered and everything, chrome wheels. But the person who's actually bought it is going to turn it into a race car, so the engine's coming out, bucket seats are going in, and it's going to be a bit of a beast by the sound of things. So 7SC63 engine put in the front and being shown as a sort of race tour car sort of thing. And here it is being collected by a company ready to go to the new owner. So good luck with the build, and hopefully it will look like a nice car when it's all done. Okay, thanks everyone for watching and continuing to support the channel, and I'll see you soon with another video. We'll get back on these cars as soon as we can.